In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about using a flashlight or headlamp when you're working in dark spaces like basements, attics, or even during power outages, so you don't end up fumbling around in the dark and risking safety. Seriously, having the right lighting when you're tackling those tricky spots makes a world of difference. And I'm going to share some easy tips to make sure you're lit up right and safe. Alright, first off, always pick a flashlight or headlamp with bright adjustable beams so you can focus the light exactly where you need it. Rechargeable batteries are clutch because you won't have to keep buying new ones, plus it's better for the environment. If you're working hands-free, definitely go for a headlamp. It's way more convenient when you're climbing ladders or carrying stuff. Make sure whatever you're using is lightweight because nobody wants a heavy thing pulling on their head or hand after a while. Waterproof or water-resistant models are a smart choice if there's any chance of moisture or rain. Another tip is to keep a backup light source nearby, just in case your main one dies or malfunctions. Nothing worse than being stuck in the dark unexpectedly. Also, test your light before you start working so you know it's bright enough and the batteries hold up. Lastly, if you're doing detailed work, look for flashlights with different color modes, like red light, to help preserve night vision without losing visibility. One of the biggest mistakes I see with folks using flashlights or headlamps is picking something with weak brightness that doesn't really illuminate the space well, which can lead to accidents or missed details. Another common issue is not checking if the batteries are fresh or fully charged, so the light dims halfway through your job and leaves you scrambling. The third problem is using heavy gear that causes neck strain or hand fatigue, making your work uncomfortable and less efficient. To fix these, always research your flashlight's lumens before buying. Keep an extra set of batteries charged and ready, and test how comfortable your headlamp feels before doing any long projects. BigHomeProjects.com is this cool platform that hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to find reliable help for your home jobs. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins and gets the job done right without all the hassle.